வணக்கம் மக்களே, வெல்கம் பேக் டு அவர் சேனல் ஜாசிங் 2016. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நம்ம எந்த மேட்சுக்கான ப்ரிவ்யூ பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா, குரூப் ஈயில் நடக்கிற போலாண்ட் வர்சஸ் ஸ்லோவாக்கியா இந்த ரெண்டு டீமுக்கான ப்ரிவ்யூ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ ஈரோ கப்பில் நடக்கிற ஒன் ஆஃப் த லீக் மேட்சஸ் இது. ஸோ பிஃபோர் கோயிங் டு வீடியோ, ஐ ஜஸ்ட் வாண்ட் யூ மேக் யூ ஜாயின் மை டெலகிராம் சேனல் ஸோ தட் யூ வில் கெட் மை ஃபைனல் டீம்ஸ் இன் மை டெலகிராம் சேனல். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் மை டெலகிராம் சேனல். யூ கேன் சர்ச், நீங்கள் டெலகிராமில் போயிட்டு @ஜார்விஸ் அஃபிஷியல்னு சொல்லி சர்ச் பண்ணாலே உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும். @ஜார்விஸ் அஃபிஷியல். ஸோ இப்படி சர்ச் பண்ணி நீங்கள் பண்ணாலே உங்களுக்கு என்னோடய சேனல் லிங்க் கிடச்சிரும். ஸோ இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா என்னோடய ஜிஎல் டீம்ஸ் எல்லாமே நான் போஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஸோ லைனப் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் என்னோடய ஜிஎல் டீம்ஸு அண்ட் மற்ற எஸ்எல் டீம் எல்லாமே இதில் உங்களுக்கு டீட்டெயில்டாக கொடுத்துருப்பேன், எப்படி என்னென்ன பிளேயர்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்கேன் அப்படின்ட்டு. ஸோ நீங்கள் என்னோடய டீம் யூஸ் பண்ணி நீங்கள் ஓன் டீம்ஸ் கூட நீங்கள் மேக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So what I'm saying guys, if you join my Telegram channel, you will get my final GL teams and also SL team, so that you can make your own teams like as per the video given and the guidance you follow from me. So before going to video, I just want you to subscribe my channel and smash the like button, so that it will help me to put more videos and it will motivate me. If I get for 100 likes for this video, sure next I will give every matches video for surely for today. So I just want a like from you all guys. I hope you will do, and let's start the video. So Poland versus Slovakia, and if you see Poland is a very good team, ranked 21, and Slovakia is ranked 36. So you can see which team is better. Absolutely Poland will be better side because Lewandowski is playing there and he will be the mentor and he will be full support to the team. So match details. So had happening in Monday, June 14, and kickoff time it's Indian Standard Time 9:30, and telecast it's Sony 10:3 and Sony 10:2. So you can watch in TV Sony 10:3. For Jio users, you can watch in Jio TV also. And current form of last 5 matches. So Poland, you see, last 5 matches they have won only one game, and also same to Slovakia. So they placed more draws. Poland, see, they have played well, but unfortunately they couldn't able to take over the match and they ended up in draw. And Slovakia also like that, and Poland and Slovakia, both teams are good team. So see the Poland's last 5 matches results. Versus Hungary, they scored 3 goals. Against Andorra 3 goals. Against England 1 goal. Against Russia 1 goal. Against Iceland 2 goals. So Poland, they are averagely they are scoring 2 goals per game. And see Slovakia versus Cyprus, they didn't score, and Malta 2 goal, Russia 1 goal, Bulgaria 1 goal, and Austria didn't score. And these are the head-to-head stats for both the team against they played against each other. So it will be helpful for you. Just you can see the stats in SofaScore application also. So this will be the possible starting lineup. So see the lineup: Sesensky, Petersky, Glick. Glick is a very good defender. Beternak, Berensky, Krachovic, and Lewandowski. He is the main player, and also Zelinski. These 2 players are important for Poland, and Grzegorz Krachovic. So let's see for Slovakia. Slovakia, if they are starting with Hamsik, it will be a better side for today. Hamsik injury concerns is there. If he fully fit, his match will be very interesting. And main strikers for Slovakia, Duda, Mac. So these players are main strikers. And see the formation. Poland's formation: Krachovic, Lewandowski. So they are playing 4-4-2, and also Slovakia 4-5-1. In Slovakia, they don't believe in they don't have wingers and all. The defenders, left back and right back, they will act as a natural wingers, and they are very good players. Pekarik, example Pekarik, and also Milan Skriniar is a very good defender. Herwakan. See the key stats. So this will be the 9th meeting for the Poland and Slovakia, and of course the previous 8 the former have won 3 and they have picked up 4 victories. And under new manager Paulo Sousa, Poland have failed to win 4 of the 5 games. So see, in last 5 games, as I told, only one game they have won and 3 draws. And Lewandowski is a all-time leading goal scorer for Poland and also for his club team. He will be the key player. He will be the center of anchor of the team. And likewise for the Slovakia, Marek Hamšík, the you all know Napoli legend Marek Hamšík. He is a very good player in that Serie A team league, and he will be the good support for the Slovakia team. If he starts today, the match will be very interesting. And team news for Poland and Slovakia: Piatek, Milik. So these 2 players, they missed Euro 2020 because of the injury. And David Konecki, so he will be the striking partner for Lewandowski in attack. And Arkadiusz Reka, Christian Bielik also failed to recover from injury. So they will also miss this game because they are good defenders. And in that Jan Betternak, so he will be the defending ahead like that. He will be centering all defense. And Slovakia, Ivan Škrans, thigh injury and from last week Austria's game. And captain Marek Hamšík, calf injury. So let's see if he start today. He will be playing very good. And match facts: Poland have won 8 of the 10 European Championship. So in European Championship tournament, they have won 8 games. And Poland have scored at least 2 goals in last 4 matches. Already I said, averagely they are keeping 2 goals per match. So it will be a goal scoring game. And important news: Poland's preparation, because Lewandowski is a very fit, and other 2 strikers, so they are not in the team. So because of them, Poland will little bit weak, but Lewandowski won't allow that. And fantasy points: so you just read the important news, which are the stats I have collected and given here. You just read it, and it will be useful for you. And the main and important thing, fantasy point tips. So in my video, fantasy point tips is a very important section. So you can see tackle, interception, big chance creator, total shots on target. So these 4 points are important for Dream 11 picks, so that you can easily win the game because of the point gain from tackle, interception. So in Poland, tackles will be done by Bartosz Baranski, a defender, Sebastian Szymanski, and Kamil Jozwiak. So average tackle, these 3 players are doing very good: 2.7, 2.0, 1.7. And interception, Kamil Petowski and Grzegorz Krychowiak, Sebastian Szymanski. So these players are doing interception very well. So you should consider these players while you're picking your GL team. And see the big chance creator: Lewandowski, Zelensky, Jozwiak. And shot on target, always Lewandowski, Piatek, Jakub Moder. Jakub Moder, very good player, must try in your GL team, don't miss him. In Slovakia, Juraj Kuka, Matas Biro, Tomas Obakan, these players are very good in tackles. And interception, Martin Valiant, David Hanko, Andre Duda. So these players are good in interception. Big chances created from Skriniar, Mac, Valiant. And shot on target, Skriniar, Mac, Rasnak. And goal prediction, my side goal prediction will be 2-1. And important fantasy tips: so invest equal in all games, and also split and invest. So let's see how the players will perform, and which are players are important. So I'll show my Dream 11 team. So I have taken Dream 11 team as 5-4-1. So let's see why I have taken them. In striker position, Lewandowski must pick, and I don't find other players are very good. And David Kovanaki, so he may be starting today. If he start, you have to take him. And Marek Hamšík, this player also important. If he starts today, if he come back from injury, he will be a very good player of this game. And defenders, Ultimately the 5 defenders which I have taken, I can't able to leave these defenders, very good defenders. And also Bartosz Berinsky, you must try him in GL team, and also in SL team you can take him, very good defender. So in my team, which are players are important for GL? Lewandowski, Zelensky, Klich, Duda. In defender section, Beternak, Skriniar, Pekarik, Jakob Moder, and Glick also very good defender. So you can rotate the players in your GL team. So this will be my initial SL team. Captain will be Lewandowski, vice captain will be Zelensky. And let's see the stats for both the team. So I'm using SofaScore application so that you can get all your stats here and see last matches between Poland and Slovakia. In 2013, Slovakia has won with a clean sheet, and in 2012, Poland have won. Slovakia won in 2009 and Slovakia won in 2008 also. So according to the lineup of today's game, I think Poland have upper hand in this game and they will be favorite to win. Let's see what will happen. And for GL, as important players, I am saying Andrzej Duda, must pick striker, Robert Lewandowski, Piotr Zelensky, Matthias Klich, Kamil Glick, Beternak, and from Slovakia, Milan Skriniar, Pekarik. If Marek Hamsik starts, must pick Robert Mack. So these players are important. And captain, vice captain options, you can keep Lewandowski captain, vice captain as Zelensky, and Lewandowski as captain and Duda as vice captain. Lewandowski as captain, Hamsik as vice captain. Lewandowski as captain, Jakob Moder defender, he will be as a vice captain. Zelensky as captain and Andrzej Duda as vice captain. Lewandowski as captain, Milan Skriniar as vice captain, Pekarik as captain, Jan Beternak as vice captain. So I don't expect 0-0 in this today's game. If you want to make one 0-0 team, you can keep 0-0 team. Select 5 top defenders from the team and top 4 midfielder who gives more points. Top 4 midfielder who will give more points from both the teams are Zelensky, Grzegorz Krychowiak, and Robert Mack, Juraj Kuka, and also Andrzej Duda is available in midfield only. These players are top point giving midfielders, so you must take them in your team. And Grzegorz Krychowiak, he is a very good player, don't miss him in your GL teams. Important player, punt player. And also Zelensky, Klich also good player only, you can rotate him. So important picks from both the teams are Andrzej Duda, Lewandowski, Zelensky. If Mark Hamsik play, Hamsik, Pekarik, Jakob Moder, Jan Beternak, Glick, and Thomas Ubakan. So these players are important players from both the team. You must rotate them in your GL team and make them captain and vice captain also. I hope this will be enough for you to make a GL team. If you follow my tips and suggestions, sure you can win GL. Happy winning, guys. And don't forget to like my videos, and my final team will come in my Telegram channel. You can see my Telegram channel here. So thank you guys. This is Jarvis signing off.